from the luxurious and environmentally conscious travel of the future. Greetings. Presenting the BYD Motorhome 2026, a groundbreaking invention that blends the amazing comfort of a motorhome with BYD's knowledge of electric vehicle technology. It is a distinctive design that embodies BYD's dedication to innovation with its sleek, contemporary shape, smooth, aerodynamic lines, and modern LED lighting. Inspired by BYD's latest passenger vehicles, the motorhome's ocean aesthetics design concept incorporates solar panels on the roof for maximum energy efficiency. It is both fashionable and useful. Beneath this stunning appearance lies a state-of-the-art all-electric drivetrain powered by BYD's most modern blade battery technology, which is renowned for its dependability and safety. The incredible immediate power and torque generated by two electric motors, which also have an incredible range and smoothly accelerate, enable long-distance driving. A dashboard that blends the concept of a digital cockpit greets you as you enter. A big, user-friendly touchscreen controls all entertainment, navigation, and motorhome operations, and a digital instrument panel prominently displays important driving data. A modern, environmentally friendly ambience might be produced by combining sustainable, soft-touch materials with light wood or metal accents. Utilizing every square inch of available space, the interior design is mostly modular and flexible. The excellent upholstery, swivel, and folding features of the sofas and chairs make it simple to transform the living room into a dining space or even an additional bed. Ambient lighting with programmable LEDs creates a variety of mood-appropriate ambiances and adds a luxurious touch. The back bedroom is a tranquil retreat. It has a comfy memory foam mattress for a king or queen bed, easy storage, and panoramic windows to take in the beautiful surroundings. An integrated audio system and a flat-screen TV add to your personal comfort and entertainment. The design of the bathroom is intended to be both luxurious and practical. A modern shower with high water pressure, a fashionable sink with an illuminated mirror, and a toilet with a water-saving flush mechanism. Excellent waterproof materials and effective ventilation provide the maximum level of comfort. The kitchen is a gourmet adventurer's dream, with a large freezer-equipped refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and a well-integrated double sink. The excellent surfaces and ample storage space allow you to cook delicious meals wherever you go. A mobile luxury residence powered solely by energy and BYD's unrelenting innovation is the BYD Motorhome 2026. Prepare yourself for an incredible journey. It is more than just a means of transportation. It is a platform for boundless discovery.